Hi everyone, it's Joe.
And Abby.
Come with us today as we go on quad bikes and whitewater rafting.
We're busy!
Absolutely excited.
Can't wait. Hope I don't drown.
I've never even seen whitewater rafting, I've only seen pictures, so fingers crossed, eh?
It'll be good.
I'll be ripping the quads though, you best believe that.
Ba 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 ba.
Ba ba ba. Bye. We've arrived now.
We made it, we're excited.
I can't wait now. Best believe I'm going to be ripping this quad. Sign up.
Let's go.
Let's get it. I'm very excited for this one.
More excited, yeah? Be careful, brother.
10 out of 10, always careful, always safe.
You ready?
Ready!
Okay.
Solo up. Finally doing it. Let's fucking get it. Fucking hell. Lots of fire start I've seen so big. You're fed well, boy. Can't wait to rip this, I swear to God. Fucking mama. Hello, doggy. You're on the boy. Ba 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 ba.
Get out the way!
Go on up! Rip it!
Today I'm in ATV area. I'm play ATV. You don't play ATV, sir? Come in Bali. Play ATV, sir. This is my friend. This is my friend. This is ATV. This is the jungle. This is the people, bro. Yes. Follow my brother. Hey. Hello, breakfast, bro. Breakfast. Yeah, good, bro. Good friend.
Jamu, ne bersing breakfast dan lunch.
Lan
Makan.
Land from Bali.
Indian food.
Thank you, bro. See you.
good.
Be careful, Yamil, be careful.
Abby was smoking everyone, to be honest.
I think I shocked Joe. I didn't smoke Joe.
No, she definitely surprised me. I knew she'd be good, but not that good. Like, she was smoking every single bloke there.
But now we're going to get some food. We're at the whitewater rafting place, and this one will be interesting.
Yeah, we're gonna try our best to film it, but if not, we'll see what happens. There we are, getting ready to go to whitewater rafting. We're in the vehicle now.
The equipment.
Got everything. Everything. Typical on shoes again.
I'm probably going to lose this line. Who knows?
It'll be a laugh if she does. It'll be good content, eh?
No, it wouldn't.
The mighty jungle, lie and sleep tonight.
Did you hear that sound? We don't have a single clue what that sound is. 3 hours later and we've made it.
Fine, no, we haven't made it yet nearly.
Only joking, it's been like 20 minutes. But we're here. This should be fun. I hope I don't fall in.
Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, sorry.
We need the gym, mate. We need the gym.
Who needs a gym? Just go whitewater rafting.
Whoa! Ba 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 ba. Go go. Black sand. Shit himself. They want smoke, we get smoke. This is the fastest on demand.
Get soaked.
Get Rick, Matt.
Get Rick, Matt.
He only shouts up and puts us under there. tour guide's a little fucker. Isn't he? He's fast, but he's just pushed us under the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. Mad bastard. Say hello! The man!
Oh, this on the big one!
The big boy. Oh my god, right here, let's get him up. Right, turn him up, we believe that.
I know.
Yeah, put your feet here, look. Boing. Yes! Woo! My voice cracked up then.
Living, laughing and rafting. Yeah, we did, that was perfect. What a good day, eh?
10 out of 10. Yeah. Say hello.
Say hello.
The best guide.
Yeah, crazy man.
You ever come to Bali, this is your man.
Yeah, I hope. August.
That's it.
Celebrate your
That's it.
here. You need to walk with your friend.
He's the man.
One by one.
Funniest guide we've had so far.
It's been a great day.
He was
100%
literally-
recommend.
Yeah, he was terrorising everyone.
Hey, excuse me.
Definitely do it in the morning too, don't even bother doing it in the afternoon because the weather in Bali can be a bit unpredictable.
Look on the sky behind you. We're here.
What a good day!
I'm knackered now.
Yeah, we're going to sleep well tonight.
Get a cheeky bintang.
Get a cheeky bintang!
Or 5.
Time for a spot of food.
This comes with like the package of the ATV, your driver, the whitewater rafting. I didn't expect so spicy.
And we got back just at the right time because it is now raining.
Do you want to show my my attire?
Joe's get up, we've got his shorts.
Bear in mind, I am commando under here. I am swinging like.
Bro, we don't need that kind of a description, do we?
It's true though, can't lie.
What a good day though. It's now, we started at 9 o'clock. Well, we left the hotel at like 9:15. It's now 3 PM, so it's literally been a full day.
I'm just enjoying this food, sorry. I'm starving.